Coming up with the idea to post on Twitter daily is a struggle. I have been there. I tried posting 60 days and straight. It was a nightmare for me. So I made an n8n automation that will do exactly the same. It will scrape the latest and trending ideas in my niche and email me those ideas, as well as add those ideas in a Google Sheet where I can simply one click and post in my feed. Let me show you how. This automation will run daily as well as when I hit execute button. So what it will do, it will set some parameters in global varies. Then it will call Anthropic. Anthropic is a parent company of Claude AI, which has the option of web search. The Claude will do a web search of the latest trending articles happening in your niche industry. Then it will scrape them all. Then after scraping that, it will extract a JSON from it and send it to a AI composer, which will compose a email body for us and then send us a mail. Then another formatter will extract the titles and add those titles in a Google Sheet. So after extracting, it will look something like this. You can see it has added the latest thing happening in crypto industry, as well as emailed me what has happened in last 24 hours in crypto industry again. So let's build this. Okay, let's start and I will explain you how you can configure this n8n automation for your needs. First, you will open global vars where you will set Anthropic version as well as Claude Sonnet version you want to use using Sonnet 4.5 as well as Sonnet version of 23.6.1. It is same. You can just copy paste this and you will set the LLM prompt. For me, it's a Twitter coach with crypto news creator. It can be a Twitter coach with AI and automation, Twitter coach with software development, whatever your niche industry is. Then it will make a JSON body. Basically, it will do a JSON stringify of the required data for Anthropic call. Anthropic is a parent company of Claude. It will make a Claude to Anthropic. You can see it's a post call and it will have authentication via auth header. So various different APIs have a different mechanism of authentication. In case of Anthropic, it is a header named XAPI key followed by the actual key. So we will set that particular key in n8n and I will show you how you can do it. First you select generic credential type, then you select header auth, and then you add your own header by clicking add new credential. You give it a name. Name will be XAPI key, all in small, okay, and your actual key, and you will give it a proper name like a sonnet key or a Claude key, okay. I will close this. You can additionally set it here in header param, but the problem with that approach is when you share your automation JSON, it will be shared, but in case of authentication general credential type, it won't be shared and you will be secured, okay. I have set Anthropic version in the global way as well as the LLM prompt I want to give it to Anthropic. Okay, when I execute this node, it will give me a JSON. If you can see, uh, JSON will be in the very last content. Here it is. It's a JSON. So I have made a code extractor which will extract JSON from it. This you can see, it will extract JSON. Then after extracting JSON, I will give that JSON to a AI that will compose an email based off that particular data which we receive from Claude. Okay, this is the prompt. You can alter it if you want to, but there is no need for that. Then it will, after composing the HTML, it will send that HTML to sender API, resend API, which will send the email to us. It is pretty straightforward and have a generous free tier, so you can check them out. I will link the resend website in the description. Then we have another code node which comes after extracting JSON, which will extract the headlines of tweets, and after extracting those headlines, it will add those in the Google Sheet. For that, we will be using append row in Sheet. We will set up our Google credential. We will select the resource, basically sheet within document, and select operation. Then we will select which sheet we need to add this in. Then the name of the sheet, that is sheet 1. And I will select map automatically because I have made sure the name of my headers in sheet and name of my uh, variables or keys in JSON is same. That is content created at and quick add, you can see here, is similar to this. Add, quick add, content and created add. With that, I have explained you how this entire automation work. If you like this automation, just give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know what kind of automation you would like to see on the channel, as well as if you have any feedback for me to improve. With that, I will see you next one in another automation. Bye bye.